guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Luvmehair. Of course, all of my wigs are from Luvmehair. Their hair is super duper bomb. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. So this is the wig unit that they sent me. This is the HD lace, as you can see right here. So this is what the hairline is looking like. It is already pre-plucked. So girl, you ain't even gotta worry about all that. This is one thing that I love about Luvmehair wigs. Some of their wigs are already pre-plucked. Look at that. That looks so good against my fingers. Look. And it comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and 1 back there, which I'm gonna cut them out because it irritates me. And of course it comes with this elastic band to adjust your wig. When you see these little things right here, this is how you can tell that it is a real HD lace. Look at that. I'm gonna just go in and cut off a piece of the HD lace and glue it to my hand so you guys can see how bomb this lace is. And this is what it's looking like up against my skin. Look at that, y'all. What lace? I am gonna try to put some got to be glued on here and see what it's looking like once it's glued onto my hand. So y'all, this is what the lace is looking like once I glued it down to my hand, y'all. Look at that, but just look at that. That is a real HD lace. So let's go ahead and install this unit, y'all. I'm super excited. Look at that. That looks freaking amazing. Like I stated before, this wig is pre-plucked. As you can see, it's plucked pretty good. So you don't have to do none of the extra stuff. So girl, just throw this wig on and style it to your desired look and you are good to go. Already cut that side off, and then we have this remaining part left. existence, you know? I mean, I'm not looking for it or anything, but I'm just stating facts.